Hi, Samirsir here, teaching room demo program in Java of 12 Science, Arts and Commerce of Gseb. Program is already written into cited text editor. There is no error inside. It is written in one page of cited text editor with two classes. First is room and second is room demo. I'm selecting it classroom. You are able to see that. And second is class room demo. The room demo class is having public static void main string args inside. That is the only reason I'm saving file with roomdemo.java. Let me teach you first of all class room. Room class is having three user defined function. The first is void set array. You can see I'm selecting it. The second is double area. The third is void display. Three floats are there with variable name length, width and height. One data type byte is there with n windows as variable name. Void is a data type of set array user defined function. The parameter passing float L, float W, float H and byte N. Since four variables are there, the length variable is getting value with parameter passing L. The width is getting value from W. The height is getting value from H. And windows getting value from N. This void set array user defined function is getting over and all the values are passed through the parameter passing. The second user defined function having name as area with double as data type. Since it is having double data type, you must write return and value length and width is multiplied and double area will give us area through length and width. Whatever length and width is passed through this user defined function, it is converted into area. The third user defined function is display, which is displaying length, width, height and n window. The value of length through system.out.println. The value of width, height and n windows. Display is having void as data type. Total 3 user defined function is getting over like this in the class room. We are going to make use of classroom into room demo class. I have selected first user defined function, second user defined function and the third user defined function to let you know that 3 user defined function is there in the class room. Let me teach you now room demo class and how we are making use of class room into room demo. Public static void main is defined into room demo. Now room equals to R1, that means this room. R1 is object created from class room. R1 equals to new room. You are supposed to write to initialize R1 object. It is written in 2 lines and in third line it is written in just 1 line, that is room R2 second object initialize with new room left and right curve bracket. You can see the difference. r1.display, r2.display. This is same display function it is calling. 4 lines written inside display function will be performed. So r1.display and r2.display values will be displayed. Since it is initialized, all values will be 0, 0. I'm compiling it. Exit 0 means there is no error. And I'm going to tools, pressing go. So I'm getting the output. So r1.display, all 0 answers I'm getting. r2.display, again 0 answer. In the next line, I'm calling setArray function of classroom and passing values through the parameter passing. r1.setArray, r2.setArray with different values. You can see the values given through setArray. Now, once parameter is passed, I have written r1.display, r2.display will display values. And you can see the same values are displayed. r1.display and r2.display. Once this is over, I have written system.out.println twice. And I am showing value length, value width and area of R1 object. Similarly, value length, value width and area of R2 object. I hope you are able to understand this program very nicely. This is really very nice program and each and everything is explained to you properly. Go through the video 2-3 times. You will be able to understand very nicely. Thank you. Have a nice day.